So hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my new video. So today I'm going to teach you guys how to use Lightroom. So this is the photo which I'm going to edit. I downloaded it from Google. So let's start. So first of all, we need to touch to this auto option over here. So the Lightroom automatically will edit your photo little bit, and now you should go to color, and you should not touch anything over here. You can just touch the vibrance to 12 and increase the tint little bit, 6. So go to mix. If there was a red color over here, then you should touch this, but there is no red color, like nothing will happen if you touch this button. Only in his face there is red color, but I will not touch it. And go to orange. So this is one of the main color from which we will do the edit. So increase the hue a little bit, decrease the saturation, and if you increase the luminance, the person over here will be white, his skin tone will be white, and if you decrease it, it will be dark, as you guys can see, you know. So I'm going to increase it like 22, and here comes yellow. So I'm gonna increase and decrease the saturation and increase the luminance a little bit. And this is the main color from which the edit is done. Like, we want the background yellow and the color is green, so we will decrease the hue, and you can see there is a yellow background, and decrease the saturation a little bit and increase the luminance. So blue color in this picture, but I'm not going to touch it. Now let's go to profile. Now you should go to this option and increase it to 123, and again you should go to color option and mix and decrease the saturation. Now you can decrease the saturation of the orange color. You can see the photo. Little bit of decrease, and it's done. So go to this effect and increase the clarity like 11, and this option. And one of my best feature of this Lightroom is this vignette option. So it is very useful. I love it. So now for midpoint, to details, and I will increase the sharpening and increase the noise reduction and decrease the details, because we don't want any details. We don't want any details. Yeah, it's done. Now we should go to this button over here and choose the left side option in this curve. So not this left side one. Yeah, so we can, it's done, I think. Now again to the color option, I will decrease the saturation. Yeah, I think it is looking better if I decrease the saturation, so I will. So it's done. Now you guys can see before and after by clicking on it. Yeah, this is before and after. So how do you like do you like this video or not, and if you want to export, export it. Okay, so thank you guys. This is आजको लागि यति नै हो. And if you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe button. Thank you. See you in the next video.